to turn on or off notifications for specific applications on Redmi A5. All you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here, go into the notifications and move into the app notifications. And here you will see most recent applications probably, but you can filter it out and take a look at all of these applications. And as you can see, you can turn on or off notifications for different applications, but some applications actually cannot have the notifications being toggled, and that's actually because this application has not posted any notifications, and that's probably the reason why you cannot turn on or off the notifications. But if the application will give some notifications, then you will be able to turn it on or off. But basically all you simply have to do from here, as you want to turn on some notifications, let's for example turn on the notifications for this Google Drive application, you simply have to press this switch to turn it on. And if you want to turn off some notifications, you can turn it off like simply by pressing this switch, and now it is turned off. And that's it. That's basically all that you have to do. Nothing more right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.